everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Did you know there used to be a way to unlock an iPhone without entering a passcode just by using Siri? Welcome back to Eassiy Official. Today, we'll show you some methods to unlock your iPhone without a passcode and reveal the most reliable solution. Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Let's dive in. Part 1. Siri Unlock Trick. Old iOS versions. From iOS 8 to 10.1, users could bypass the lock screen using Siri. Here's how it worked. First, press Home to activate Siri and ask, "What time is it?" Then, tap the clock icon, add a city, long press the text, share it, choose Messages, tap New Contact, and select Add Photo, then go to Photos. Once inside Photos, just press Home. And voila, you had access to the home screen. Just a heads up though, this trick is patched in modern iOS versions. Part 2. Voice Control Method. Voice control can unlock your iPhone if you set it up in Accessibility. Here's what you do. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, tap Voice Control, choose Customize Commands, and create a new command. Set a trigger phrase, like Open Phone. Record a custom gesture that enters your passcode. When you wake the screen and speak the phrase, the gesture enters the passcode automatically. Just remember, this requires prior setup and only works on devices you own. Part 3. Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Recommended solution. If Siri or voice control don't work, Passixer iPhone Unlocker is honestly the most reliable tool. It removes screen passcodes, iCloud activation lock, screen time, and MDM locks, even on broken or unresponsive screens. This works on almost any iPhone and iOS version. Okay, so here's how you use Passixer, step by step. First, open Passixer, select Wipe Passcode, then connect your iPhone and hit Start. Next, check your device information and download the firmware. After that, confirm the unlock by entering 0000 and then click Unlock. Now just wait a few moments and that's it. Your iPhone is unlocked successfully. Alright, let's talk about some of the key features of Passixer. It can remove your Apple ID or bypass the iCloud activation lock, which is super helpful. You can also remove screen time restrictions without losing any data, which is honestly a lifesaver. Plus, it works even if your screen is broken or unresponsive. And, yeah, it has a really high success rate, so you don't have to worry much about it not working. Part 4. Other quick methods. Simplified. First, there's Apple Watch Unlock. This works if your iPhone is paired with a watch. All you have to do is unlock your watch, glance at your phone, and then just swipe up. Next, there's iCloud, or Find My, where you can erase your iPhone remotely via iCloud.com, but you'll need your Apple ID and a network connection for that. Another method is using iTunes or Finder to restore your iPhone in recovery mode, but keep in mind, all your data will be erased. If you're on iOS 15.2 or later, there's the lock screen erase option. Just tap Erase iPhone after too many failed attempts, but you'll need your Apple ID for this as well. For those on iOS 17 or above, if you just changed your passcode recently, you can actually enter the old passcode to unlock your device without losing any data. And finally, you can use the Find My app on another Apple device that's signed in with the same Apple ID to erase your locked iPhone. Part 5. Summary plus closing. Here's a quick recap. The Siri trick only works on older iOS versions and just gives you temporary access. Voice control works, but only if you set it up before. Passixer iPhone Unlocker is professional, reliable, and honestly works on almost any device, with a high success rate, even if your screen is broken. The official options like Apple Watch, iCloud, iTunes, Lock Screen Erase, Old Passcode, and Find My app are legit, but they usually erase your data or need your credentials. So if you want something fast, easy, and super compatible, Passixer is definitely our top recommendation. Thanks so much for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more iPhone tips and software tutorials. See you in the next video.